Meaning of engagingly.
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 Engagingly. Engagingly is an adverb that describes the manner in which something is done, specifically when it's done in a way that attracts and holds the attention of others. When someone speaks engagingly, for example, they can really captivate their audience with their words and delivery. Similarly, when a website or product is designed engagingly, it draws users in and keeps them interested. The key to being engaging is to create an experience that is both interesting and interactive, encouraging people to actively participate and connect with what they're experiencing.